go outside with him before it's raining? And what do
You
think?
can, I'm not.
Why?
I want to let you guys know
I went with him in the
I'm
morning.
leaving.
Mm.
Yes, I am leaving in a couple of days.
What's wrong, Tiki Rocky?
Okay, it's okay.